I grew up in Auckland, so I wasn't really around Te Reo when I was like in those early days, but it wasn't until I moved back to Tūwharetoa. I only knew like kia ora or my name, Maui, and I didn't really know much else, but I was pretty good at listening because I was able to write maybe 2 sentences. I guess my reo picked up a lot when I went away to boarding school, talking to other boys you meet there who already had the reo as well. I still have my level, they've probably got a little higher, but we don't look at it like that. It's more of, if we speak reo, pai, haere tonu. We embrace te ao Māori, timata te reo I te kāinga. It starts from home. And for me personally, I'm definitely looking at jumping back on to do a reo course through, well, yeah, what better place to do it than Te Wānanga Aotearoa, so yes.